Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed a very important chapter of your syllabus which is areas related to circle. Dear students, in that chapter, in that previous class, we discussed all the important concepts related to that chapter, all the important terms, formula related to that chapter we already discussed about in previous classes, and also we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. In that chapter we discuss about the segment of a circle, sector of the circle, okay, and we discuss about the formula of the sector, segment of a circle, and also we discuss all the important formula related to circle like area of circle, circumference of circle, and we also discuss a very important concept related to circle. Ki, dear students, if two circle, we discuss once more time, if dear student, if two circles in touches externally, if two circle touches externally, in that condition suppose that their center be O and O dash, and let us take radii of first circle be r1 and radii of second circle be r2. Then in that condition the distance between their centers is equal to the O dash is equal to the sum of the radii of two circles, means r1 plus r2. This is the concept of that figure. When we apply these conditions, when adjacent two circles are touches externally. Now look, now dear friends, if two circles, if two circle touches internally, suppose that if two circle touches internally, and in that condition suppose that r1 be the radii of the first circle, bigger circle, and r2 be the radii of the second circle, smaller, then in that condition the difference between their centers is equal to the difference between their radii. This is r1 minus r2. So this is the concept of that topic. Okay, now we take and solve some important questions based on that chapter. Look, let's see. And the question is, area of a sector, area of a sector of a circle of radius of a circle area of a sector of a circle of radius 36 centimeter, 36 centimeter is 54 pi, is 54 pi centimeter square. Find the length of the, find the length of the, find the length of the corresponding arc corresponding arc of the sector. Of the sector. Now let's see its solution, dear students. Dear friends, this is a very important questions, and in previous class we discussed about the formula related to that topic. Let's see here. Area of a sector of a circle of radius. First of all we write given radius of the circle is what, 36 centimeter, and area of sector is also given as 54 pi centimeter square. Area of sector is given as 54 pi centimeter square. We find the length of arc. We take the length of the corresponding arc dl. So since we know that, since we know that area of sector is equal to 1 upon 2 into length into means length of arc into radius of the circle. So from there area of sector is what 54 pi is equal to 1 upon 2, right, as it is. L we find that R is what 36. Now look, this is the 18. Now this is L is equal to 54 pi upon 18. Now 18 threes are, you know that 54. So the length of corresponding arc is 3 into pi. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way, in that type of questions using this formula, this is the very important formula. Okay, we already discussed in previous class. Now we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus based on these topics. Let's see. And question A, we take some important NCERT questions based on this topic. Let's see its solution. And this is a very important question, okay dear friends, of your syllabus. A chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter makes a right angle at the center of the circle. Okay, find the area of the major and of the minor segments and take the value of pi as 3.14. Now look, let's see its solution. Dear friends, this is one of the most important question related to that chapter. Let's see its solution. Here, a chord AB of a circle. First of all, we draw diagram related to that question. Let's take OB the center, and we take AB be a chord, and the angle subtended by that chord at the center of the circle is makes a right angle at the center. So this is what 90 degree. Okay, and AB and radius of that is what 10 centimeter. This is the radius of. We find what area of the major and minor segment. First of all, we find the area of that region. This is the we take as C. Segment is what, you know that area bounded by a chord and a arc. Bounded by an arc and a chord is called the what? Sector. Okay, thus from figure area of minor segment ACBA is equal to what? Area of sector OACBO. Area of sector what? AOBCO minus area of triangle AOB minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, now look, What is the formula for area of sector? We know that we have when central angle in radius is given theta upon 360 into pi r square. So look at this. Now here we put theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle ABC. We already discussed about that. 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta is what? Here central angle 90 degree. Okay. Now we simplify them. We put all the values. We take r square as common, and we put theta is what? 90 upon 360 into pi minus 1 upon 2 into the value of sin 90 is what? 1. R square take as common. Now we put the value of r square. R is what? 10. 10 is 100. So 1 upon 4 into here, this the value of pi we take as 3.14 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, minus 1 upon 2. So now from there what we get? We get as 100 into, we take 4 as LCM, we take 4 as LCM, so we get 3.14 minus 2 1 ja 2. Okay, 2 2 is 4, and this is we get. Now we simplify them, so we get 100 into, we subtract 2, then we get what? 1 point 1.14 upon 4. This is the now 25 times, so 25 into 1.14, 25 into 1.14. Now we multiply them. Let's see, 1.14 and 25, 7 5 0 8. Now to 28.50. This is the 28.5. So here we get 28.5 centimeter square. Now this is the required solution of the given question. Thus in this way, dear friends, in this way this is the value of minor segment ACDA. Now we also find the area of major segment. Major segment is what? If we consider the chord BA, then we take point D. So this is your major segment. Okay, this is pura major segment. So major segment is what? Look now, now area of major segment BDAB is equal to area of circle minus area of circle minus area of minor segment, 28.50. Okay, now look, so area of circle, you know that pi r square minus this is 28.50, so value of pi 3.14 into 10 square and 28.50, so this is 10 4 in 10 tens are 100 minus 28.50, so here we get what? 314 minus 28.50. Now we simplify 1 0 0, and so this is 0, this is 5 3 5 0 10 8, this is 2 to 285.5. so in this way we have 288.50 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on segment as well as sector. So please dear friend, do more and more practices of this type of questions. After that you complete your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay dear friends, let's see. we take some important question of your NCERT exercise, and your question is four equal circles are described about the four corners about the four corners of a square okay. So that each touches two of the other so that each touches two of the others two of the others as shown in figure as shown in figure. Find the area of the find the find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Each side of the square measuring 14 centimeter. Measuring 14 centimeter. Okay, and your figure is, let's see, your figure is, this is a square, okay, and any two of touches, this is one, okay. Now this and this is fourth circle touches in this way, okay, two circle at least. And here this is A, B, C, D. Here point A, B, C and D are the centers of each circle, okay, and we find this is the shaded region, we find the area of that region, okay. Now 7 now this is 7, this is 7, this is 7 and this is 7. This is a very important 7 centimeter radius of each circle. Now look, let's see its solution. From figure it is clear that the side of square is 7 plus 7, that is 14 centimeter, and the radius of each circle is what? 7 centimeter, and the radius of each circle is what? 7 centimeter. Okay, now look what we find in that question, dear students. We find the area of shaded region. So dear students, from figure it is clear that it is clear that the area of shaded region is obtained by the subtracting the area of square ABCD minus area of four quadrant. Four quadrant means what? Look, we know that first of all the each angle of a square is 90 degree. We know that we know that each angle of square is what, 90 degree. Okay, and area of shaded region from area of here, area of shaded region is equal to what, area of square ABCD minus area of 4 quadrant minus area of 4 quadrant. And what is the quadrant? That topic is always discussed in previous classes. Dear friends, we already discussed about that ki 1/4 part of the circle, 1/4 part of the circle is called quadrant, and area of circle is what, pi r square. So area of quadrant will be what, pi r square by 4 because of 1/4 part of that. So in this way we have what, we have area of square is what, pi. You know that if the value, the formula for area of square is a side square minus area of 4 quadrant means what, 4 into area of each quadrant means pi r square by 4, pi r square by 4. Now we simplify them. Now look, 4 what, cancel to each other. Side square, here side of the square is what, 14. So 14 square minus the value of pi we take as 22 upon 7. R is the radius of each circle is what, 7. So 7 into 7. So 7 cancel to each other. The square of 14 is what, 196 minus, now 22 into 7, 8. This is 154. Now we subtracting them. 6 minus 4, that is 2. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 1 minus 1, 0. So we get what, 42 centimeter. Right answer. Right. So this is the different area of the shaded region. This is the area of shaded region. Okay. So dear friends, this is the method to solve that type of question. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions based on the areas related to circle. After that, practicing that type of question, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear friend, we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. We take some other important question, and your question is, this is also very important question of your NCERT exercise. ABCD is a flower bed. ABCD is a flower bed. If OA is equal to 21 meter and OC is equal to 14 meter and OC is equal to 14 meter, find the area of the bed. Find the area of the bed. Take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. Now look at its solution. ABCD is a flower bed, and your figure is ABCD. Okay. Now this is your figure. Okay. This is your flower bed ABCD. This is A, B, C and D. This is the flower bed. ABCD is a flower bed. Okay. This is O. This is 14. and this one is what, 21 meter. Okay, now look here. In that figure there are two quadrant. This is the shape of the quadrant. Okay, because of its frontal angle is 90. Now look, uh, from figure from figure let capital R is equal to 21 meter, radius of bigger quadrant, and small r we take as 40 meter. Now area of bed, area of flower bed is equal to what? Area of quadrant, area of quadrant of radius r is equal to 21 meter minus, okay, minus area of quadrant of radius small r is equal to 14 meter. And you know that the value of the formula for the area of quadrant is what? Pi r square by 4. Now look, 1 by 4 into pi r square minus 1 by 4 pi small r square. So now from there we take, now we simplify them directly. Okay, now look, we take 1 by 4 pi as common, so we get capital R square minus small r square. Okay, now look, this is 1 upon 4, the value of 22 upon 7 into r square means what? Capital R is 21 square minus 14 square. So this is the formula of a plus b, a minus b. So we also write 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into a plus b. This is 21 plus 14 is what? 35 into a minus b. This is 7. Okay, 21 minus 14. Now look, 7 cancel to each other, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, okay, so 11 into 35 upon 2, so we get, this is the 5.5, so 5.5 into 35, 5.5 into 35, let's see, so 5.5 into 35 ना, 27 this decimal one take place, so 192.5. okay, after multiply them we get 192.5 meter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, let's see once more time. This is a very important question based on this topic. Now look here, dear students, here a b c d is your what? Flower bed. Okay, and here OA is what? 21, so that is OA is equal to OB now, because of that is equal to that, and OC is equal to OD, because of this is the part, this is the form of quadrant, means 1/4 part of a circle, because of if we completed that, so it complete the form two circles, so this is the 1/4 part of a circle, and we find the area of the flower bed, means we find the area of the shaded region A B C D. Now for finding the area of shaded region, okay, we just subtracting the area of the quadrant of radius capital R minus area of the quadrant of radius minus r small r. So after that we simplify them and we get the result. So in this way you can solve that type of questions. Okay, dear friends. Thus, dear student, first of all, you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. After that, we solve some of the important question based on these topics. Okay, now thanks to all.